Introducing the Honda Odyssey. Modern design meets family fun as Honda's engineers integrate smart technology and safety features, including an enhanced suite of Honda sensing safety and driver assistive technologies for all trims. Top-of-the-line interior and exterior styling makes the Odyssey today's ultimate family vehicle. Take on family outings in style with the sleek, streamlined exterior design that makes the Honda Odyssey an attention-grabbing ride, on the road or standing still. The Odyssey's sophisticated look features powerful and efficient LED headlights and taillights. Other standout features include a blackout grille, lower front fascia, gloss black trim under the rear window, and wraparound darkened rear windows that cleverly conceal the sliding door track. Also available are 19-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and LED fog lights. Kick your foot to activate the available hands-free power tailgate, even when your hands are full. The tailgate rises automatically for easy access to Odyssey's rear cargo space. You can also customize the height of the tailgate with a simple press of a button. Dual power sliding doors make it simple to load your gear and can be activated remotely with the Odyssey's key fob. The Honda Odyssey offers premium refinements through the cabin, creating an upscale, enjoyable driving experience. The Odyssey's innovative Magic Slide second-row seats allow for greater convenience and seating flexibility. All 3 second-row seats feature seat back angle and fore-aft adjustment, and can also fold flat for easy removal and carrying. With the middle seat removed, you can now open up even more possibilities. Super Mode puts both seats on the side of the van, allowing for easy third-row access on the left or right side. Buddy Mode puts the 2 outboard seats together in the middle, while Wide Mode separates the middle row seats to either side of the cabin. Best of all 3 modes can be adjusted with car seats installed. The Odyssey elevates the comfort level for drivers and passengers with accommodating features like available tri-zone automatic climate control, heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats, and additional driver and front passenger power lumbar support. Available leather-trimmed interior, piping and contrast stitching, second-row seatback storage pockets, an available wireless phone charger, and second and third-row sunshades add even more convenience. Keep an eye on your rear passengers using Cabin Watch, a high-quality live video feed providing rear passenger visibility even in the dark. Speak clearly to passengers using Cabin Talk, which transmits your voice to the second and third rows through passengers' connected headphones or the Odyssey's rear speakers. Long trips become more fun when passengers sit back, relax, and enjoy the Odyssey's available Blu-ray DVD rear entertainment system. A dazzling 10.2-inch display makes for easy music and video streaming, or interaction with the How Much Farther app, a fun way for kids to track trips. Never worry about forgetting your precious cargo with the Odyssey's rear seat reminder system. The system alerts you to check the rear seating area when exiting the vehicle. The Odyssey also introduces the industry's first rear seat reminder that combines a chime and dashboard warning with an available Cabin Watch camera view of the back seat. Designed with a host of smart features for the whole family, the Odyssey brings new levels of innovation and convenience to the ultimate family vehicle. An available bright, full-color 8-inch audio display lets you touch, pinch, and swipe your way through music, podcasts, and navigation, while available front, rear, and third-row USB ports make charging multiple devices at once a breeze. An available 11-speaker premium audio system fills your Odyssey with high-quality sound during every ride. Customizable multi-zone audio lets you choose between preset zones to play music in one area while keeping other areas quiet. Enjoy Wi-Fi on the go with available wireless streaming capabilities, which also include audio and entertainment system updates with a data plan from AT&T. Connect your smartphone to the Odyssey's display via available Apple CarPlay or Android Auto integration and use your phone, maps, audio, messages, and more. Use the available Cabin Control app to turn smartphones into remote controls, letting anyone in your Odyssey manage available features like rear climate control and more. The Odyssey's available satellite-linked navigation system uses offline maps, providing peace of mind that you're still on track, even in areas without cell service. In addition to directions, it also features lane guidance to help you prepare for upcoming turns. Warm up or cool down the cabin before climbing in by using available remote engine start to turn on your Tri-Zone automatic climate control. The Honda Odyssey's intelligent traction management with snow mode recalibrates the traction control system, providing you with more peace of mind. Available Honda Link with smartphone integration lets you access helpful features like remote start, remote lock and unlock, Find My Car, mileage information, service appointment reminders, and more directly from your smartphone. The Honda Odyssey delivers unprecedented levels of comfort, convenience, and elegance. All this add up to make the Honda Odyssey the clear choice for daily adventure and premium family fun.